Hello friends, today we are going to see interconnection of ESP8266 and Arduino UNO board. Because Arduino UNO board, uh, as you see here, Arduino UNO board inbuilt this Arduino UNO board doesn't have any Wi-Fi compatibility. So in order to make it Wi-Fi compatible, we are using ESP8266 module, this one, as you see here. Okay, so this is the basic theoretical part, how we have to connect these two modules. Extra, we are using this push button, this one is represented in block diagram. So this ESP8266 have a reset pin, but we cannot reset it manually. So for that we need some manual operation, which is here I am using a reset button. So the reset pin is connected to one leg of this button, and the other side is other pin is connected to the ground. Okay, and note that all ground pins from UNO and ESP01 are common, and a 3.3 volts connection is used to power up this ESP8266. Okay, because if you give 5 volt supply, this module will burn out. Okay, so this is the theoretical part, and now let us get into the Arduino IDE. So here before doing all these things, you should include the boards. Here, as you see here, I have already clicked generic ESP8266 board. If you are not having this, you should get it from boards manager. There are many videos of YouTube available, so you just click this generic ESP8266 module and make sure that this port is COM4. In my case, it might be some other port in your case. Okay, so this is the one thing. And now let us see how we are going to, because this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module does not have any serial port as we have for Arduino. So now what we are doing is I am using this Arduino UNO board as a buffer, just like a buffer, where the code what I have written from in Arduino IDE is being sent through the USB cable to this ESP8266 module. Okay, so for that there are two major connections. The reset button of Arduino UNO has to be grounded, and the GPIO 0 pin of ESP is also should be grounded. Okay, so these two are most important things, because sometimes whole day you have to try, you won't get the output if you don't follow these two things. So now I am using an LED, a red LED is connected. So now let us demonstrate how it works. So now I am directly uploading the code. So make sure that you choose this ESP8266 module here, and this is the basic blink program that I have directly uploaded from here, from examples, from basics. And you can see this blink one. If you click the blink, you will get a code here. So in that I have just used this digital write pin number 2. Okay, this one, as you see, this one, pin number 2. So this pin number 2 doesn't represent the Arduino UNO pin number. This represents the ESP8266 GPIO, because in my module I have only two GPIO pins. I am using the GPIO 02 pin to connect this LED. Okay, so now let us upload the program. I am clicking on the upload. After compilation complete, you will get the uploading also process. After this ESP takes a little bit more time, it is connecting. So as soon as you get this connecting, after getting connecting, you will get this LED in this Arduino. This LED blinks. So as soon as this blinks, you can reset this button. So when this reset button and this blinking should be synchronous. So once it is done, you can see the upload is complete here. Upload is complete. So that means as soon as I click on this reset button, this Arduino passes the code to this ESP8266 module. So now the code is ready. So what I have written, this is a blink program. LED will glow for some time, for 1000 millisecond, and LED will off for some time. Okay, whether this is running or not, how we will know? Because now the code is being dumped into ESP8266. So now for that to check, we have to remove this GPIO 0 pin. We have to remove this ground connection. Just a minute, I'm removing this ground connection. Okay, now I have removed this GPIO 0 pin from the ground. So this LED has to blink by itself according to the code that we have written. Okay, so for that to operate, just switch on, just push button, just switch on this button. So now you can observe the LED is automatically blinking according to the delay that we have given. This is a simple thing. Actually, many people get confused from regarding this ESP8266 module, how we have to connect to Arduino UNO, because Arduino UNO doesn't have Wi-Fi module. Okay, once again, lastly, this is the diagram. This is the interconnections. You can take care. So these are the things required. Okay, so this is how we can also use blink app also. We let us see in the next video. I'll try to operate the same operation using the through internet, using some blink app. Using that app also, we can connect it to this Wi-Fi module, and we can operate this LED. Thank you.